Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Hello. How is it going? It is August 15th. It is a Tuesday, currently where I am. I appreciate you guys clicking on the live stream, whether you're watching it live or watching it after. I do ask that you like and subscribe if you're into crypto content. We're all goons here. We love hanging out. It helps the channel out. And we want to grow. So if that's something you're into, please subscribe immediately. The first thing, smoke that like button, then make sure you hit that subscribe and turn bell notifications on. But guys, we're going to go right into it today. We're going to talk about the market and look at the market. So let me go right to our trusty coin market cap. We're going to start off and really looking at that global crypto market cap, and we're right around 1.16 trillion. So we're down 0.01 trillion from yesterday. So it is a small decrease. I'm still happy because any day above 1 trillion, because there have been days we've been under 1 trillion. And we've been there since all of that, right? And we're looking at days above 1 trillion. I'm completely okay. Let's keep this above 1 trillion. 1.16 is still a win. And I'm going to continue hoping that it goes up. One interesting thing here, the fear and greed index, you can read about it in the end. It's basically how investors feel. It's the sentiment analysis that's being done. It is neutral. You know, people are literally feeling nothing. They're not feeling bullish. They're not feeling bearish. They're literally like, I have no idea, Teddy, and I'm gonna just stay neutral. And that's what the sentiment is right now. So I already see people in here. Anthony Williams, smoke that like button. What's going on, Anthony? Always a pleasure having you here, buddy. NW, there he is. There he is, the airdrop king. Yo, he got us in. He's where he got an airdrop channel. NW hit us with some knowledge. And we're learning there. So we're trying to get some free airdrops and keep that thing going. Red Sox, Teddy, why all red? So I did notice this why all red, but I think it's why all red is mainly because we came into a new day. Yesterday's performance wasn't on point. We're also looking at the heat map here. Dominance, Bitcoin continues to stay dominant. I think yesterday we were around 48%. We get that 49% ETH, I think around 18%. So love to see it, but the price is definitely lower than before. So we'll talk about that after our new segment. But it is something I'm watching. I love that the dominance is going up, but we know we're only a few, potential minutes away if for the dominance to go back down to 48, depending on what ETH's doing. Let me see. Almost everything else on the heat map is pretty much the same. Couldn't get complete ETH on here. Let me see. Where did ETH go? Boop, 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 boop. I gotta educate myself on how this heat map works, I guess. Yeah, ETH is not on store of value. What the hell? What the hell? Coin market cap. You were there it is. I was like, what the hell is going on? Okay, so ETH also making strides here. Okay, so see, I said a few seconds, and that's literally all it took. 48.99. But it's still pretty bullish about it. We're gonna continue to watch and wait to see what happens. But as long as the global crypto market stays above 1.1 or 1.00 trillion, I'll be happy. The other one I want to talk about was best cryptos, trending cryptos right now. CyberConnect still up here. Still don't know what it does. Shiba Inu did gain back a zero. I'm fairly certain it's gonna make moves again. I'm waiting for potential release. I haven't heard anything. I've been following Twitter. They've posted about the metaverse and giving us knowledge. So we'll see what tomorrow brings in as well. But as of right now, I haven't heard anything that's outstanding on Shiba Inu. I think that's why there's a small pullback there, but the volume is there. People are trading. Even Pepe had a pullback from where we were yesterday. X doing fairly well. So WorldCoin still continues to trend because the volume is there, but the price action is not. I see everyone bullish on this hash ribbons 13-15 hit rate. Sounds too high. We need more failures. Dump City coming maybe. Dump City coming maybe indeed, because we're going to talk about that when we go look at the charts after the news. But real quick, half of the oh wait, by the way, most visited Harry Potter, Obama, Pac-Man 8 Uno. Shout out to you guys. It looks like you've been trending on Coin Market Cap for almost the entire day. Unfortunately, the price action still um, not going your way, not getting to that all-time high 50 cent, that what people are hoping for, still below that launch price as well. But it's good to see that they are making strides and moves to get on those exchanges. So I did see XRP here, which is Harry Potter, Obama, Pac-Man 8 Inu, making moves here. So we'll see what ends up happening with that. So biggest loss, right? Pepe, we talked about. Terra Classic still being traded 11% down, guys. And I want to point out Gala because many of you guys are asking, Teddy, what's the next play to earn? What are we feeling? I'm still watching Gala. I mean, regardless of all the sufferings it's had, if I'm looking for an entry point in and I'm trying to figure out which gaming or play to earn ecosystem I want to get into, it's either like Axie Infinity or Gala Games or whatever other one pops up. But right now, Gala Games may be um, interesting to look at if you have some things to get into. What the hell is this Shibarium token recently added 10 hours ago? Some guys just do a knockoff Shibarium token. Shibarium launch countdown, major exchange teaser. No, it shouldn't even be Shibarium token. It should be called Treat. So this is some BS. I didn't even see this one actually earlier. So this must have just listed. 203% up. Market cap 313K. I don't know, man. This is tough. Unless it's got the real Shiba Inu team behind it, I just not feeling it. Let's see the website. Shibarium.vip. Nah. This is gonna do nothing. I mean, it may have a hit and run there. Hit and run. Not a hit and run. It may go up and down there, but as of right now, recently added. Interesting link. Oh, Pac-Man treat. Yo, is this the real treat? Let's see. Website. No, fake. Yeah, so people just LARPing on the Shiba Inu token and the release potentially. So we'll see what happens there. And then we'll do want to talk about crypto futures because yesterday we were feeling the sentiment that, hey, it's Bitcoin week, and we did see it's a neutral. And right now, the futures sentiment is 50-50. People aren't completely trading Bitcoin. People aren't completely into altcoins either. People still remain bullish on Bitcoin. So we're looking at that 1 hour time frame, about 68%, rounding up 70% long action here on BTC. So and I didn't know you could switch to ETH, and even ETH, guys, 70%. So people are fairly bullish on both Bitcoin and Ethereum regardless. I got into Gala ecosystem last run, bought nodes. Oh no, you bought nodes. You must have gotten a big hit. NFTs, played the game, even have a music node. Gotta say, if you get into the ecosystem, not a fan. Got rinsed on investment. That's exactly what happened. Anyone that bought a node on Gala Games, the price that you got in at versus the price that it is now, it has gone down. And I totally feel, because the ecosystem was great, the nodes were great. What the incentives they had for running the nodes and being your own node. Everything sounded awesome. Everyone wanted to get nodes. They wanted film nodes. They wanted the mining nodes, what the validator nodes, whatever it may be. That is one of the setbacks of the Gala ecosystem. That price action definitely is a big hit. So I'm hoping for the best right there for you guys. But if I'm still not in it and I'm looking for an entry point, that's why I bring up um Gala Games there. So LPT highest searched, I thought this is a BLZ. These are and Bake. These are all ones our boy Coochie Boy was talking to us about. So we know he ran up that green candle and he's taking that retracement down with the short. So he's been making some good uh money there. So I do want to move on to the next segment. I don't get why markets are down. CoinDesk had 2 articles about EU countries approving Bitcoin ETF. We are going right into the next segment, and our boy Anthony Williams is absolutely right. CoinDesk is our primary way of getting crypto news. They've been pretty good of being neutral when it comes to talking about crypto. So I definitely say there is nothing that indicates, hey, why are the cryptos trending down, right? So I named this top cryptos, top cryptos, top cryptos. We think top cryptos, we think Bitcoin, we think Ethereum, but in reality, top cryptos can literally be whatever's trending. And right now, crypto's not trending. We're having that retracement, and we start wondering, hey, what is happening? I thought I was in a really good crypto, and it's retraced, and that happened to NW here with Gala Games, right? And this is what I want to reassure. There are points where you may be in a crypto investment and it goes down. It's taken a big hit. It happened to XRP holders, right? XRP at 30 cents. Even Ethereum holders, they've gone down as low as 1100. But at some point, whether you're DCAing or not, that crypto can retrace and have another bull run, right? And that's what most of these guys are aiming for. But what's interesting is, regardless of the news that's coming out, the crypto price continues to plummet. And that's where people are confused because, one, it doesn't make sense because you keep hearing great news articles coming out, but you're not seeing that adoption. You're not seeing, the central banks coming in. You're not seeing people gravitating to crypto because it is not the bull run. So what we're doing now when we read the news is educating ourselves. So we're not making these decisions for now, the next week, the next month. We're making these decisions far into the future because that's what this channel is about. So I do want to make sure you guys understand what why we're doing the segments in this way. We first look at the market, we look at the news, we're going to look at the charts, we're going to look at what's new, and then we have our goon time. Buy the token, play the trading hype, stay out of the ecosystem of Gala. It's like Ethereum. Buy it and hold it. Don't use the chain and lose all your ETH to gas fees. Absolutely. Absolutely, NW. One of the best things, comments I've read today, and I totally agree with that statement. So I actually saw this right before the stream. The article actually came out at 2:15. Binance to shut down crypto payment service. Mid refocus on core products. You guys can go through the entire article. But in the end, this is what's happening, right? They say, hey, it's because we want to go focus in on our own utilities, and this payments is not one of the places we want to be in. What do we know about payments? Payments is one of the things SEC, hey, you can't be a payment processor. Hey, payment processor, not okay, right? There are some things that the SEC is cracking down on, especially when it comes to reserves and dishing out payments, right? Do you have the money to back up all these investors that are invested in your platform? And some of that payment services that happen are done through Binance. So Binance goes, hey, not only can we send people payments, we can become our own payment processor and make people use our system and take a fee, right? And that's exactly what they did last March, right? This was last year, March. It's been, a little over a year and a half. And literally, they're saying that it's not doing well. It's not doing well. And they want to just refocus and use that focus, aka meaning, hey, they've either let go of people or refocus those people into different products. So I definitely am sad to see that Binance is stepping away from its buy and sell service, Binance Connect. I guess that's what it was originally called, but it's just their payment service. So very sad. But hey, maybe things will change. and people will use something else. I've heard a lot of things that there's other crypto processors coming out as well that are getting big, like now payments. So I thought, hey, maybe Binance is crazy here, but then I kept thinking, I'm like, hey, there's that SEC, right? They're going after. There he is, my crypto. William, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Just talking about the news. You missed our little spiel on the market. People are all over the place right now. They're not understanding what's going on right now, which is just fear. The markets show neutral, the news shows positive, the price action's not going up. So the people that are fearful are getting out, and that's that small retracement. We're only talking about a 0.01 trillion retracement from yesterday. So I understand, doesn't make sense, but it's definitely also sad, going back to the news here, to see that Binance has decided to shut this down, because many people liked having that, checkout with Binance, go, we accept crypto payments functionality. So I think the SEC does play a role here. Maybe they are somehow cracking down on it, and they see some shadiness or something, and that's one of the first things they're getting rid of. But hey, that's my conspiracy theory. So whether you believe me or not is up to you. So I will continue on here. So Anthony had mentioned our boy Anthony Williams, friend of the channel, mod in the channel, that he had heard positive news about Amsterdam getting its first Bitcoin spot ETF and being able to use it. And they'll be traded, the Bitcoin ETF is regulated, and it'll be traded with the ticker Bcoin, which is Bitcoin. What the hell, Gary Gensler? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But at the same time, great, great, great. But the thing that isn't great is, just because this is approved doesn't necessarily mean people are just gravitating and grabbing all the B coins they need, right? Unfortunately, the the plan to list 2022, they actually don't say the date that they plan to go live. They just say it's going to trade under this. Will trade under ticker Bcoin. Custody of the fund is provided by Fidelity Digital Assets and Flow Traders, operators, market maker. Let me see. Do they actually say when they plan? No, they never actually said the date. Yeah, that's right. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. This is one step forward for something that we've been waiting for many, many years to have this happen. So they won approval for the fund in October 2021, with plans to list in 2022. Because of the market, they pushed back, and now it's 2023. So we'll see when this goes live, unless it is live now and I'm speaking out of turn. But as far as is listed. Oh, this one says is listed. Europe's BTC, let me see, spot Bitcoin ETF is listed. So it is listed. There we go. There we go. It is listed. So you can get it right now. Let's get some B coins, man. We need them B coins. So sounds like good news, but people are not gravitating towards crypto. So even with this listing, even prior to me knowing that this was listed, I still say that adoption is not there. So I'm not trading for this week, next week, today. I'm trading for years down the line. So I do want to make sure you guys understand that. So the other thing, what was where was it? Bitcoin Europe. No, not this one. I already read this one. Okay, so this was citing Shiba Inu had a lot more volume, and that's one of the reasons that Bitcoin has retraced, and blah 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 blah. Guys, baloney. I didn't even realize till a few minutes before I got on the stream that this article wasn't even from today. It was from August 12th. All right, Shiba Inu's retraced since then. It's already gained its zero back. So I know it's the most read thing on CoinDesk. stay away from most Reddit. I feel, I'm looking for the current news, and unfortunately, didn't agree completely with that article. Considering current market conditions, everything is down. The other one, the opinion article, this was also on the main page here, which is the three things Coinbase says will determine the future of crypto. And they do list it. Uh, Let me see. So, utility, they talk about the DeFi and layer two solutions, things like Arbitrum and Optimism and Ethereum. And the main thing, what is the main pillar? Is the scalability, right? So, utility we got, scalability we got, and then you start wondering how are these important when it comes to adoption of crypto? And you're like, dude, no one's using. The thing is, the Coinbase has a blockchain right now, Base, right? People can trade on Base. You can go on there, you can have all the fun in the world, but the volume is not completely pouring in. We've seen 12 million go out from bald token deployers, right? But we are not seeing money pouring in the millions, even on the first day that it went publicly live, right? Before people, were trading using an inside dev like wallet that they figured out, hey, we can make deposits using dev wallets and stuff, and they ran up coins. When Base actually went live, the mainnet went live, guess what? Only $10 million came in from that bridge. So it's very early for these guys to go determine the future of crypto. It's all about scalability, utility, Teddy, and it's all about how your uh, company stands with crypto and all. Oh, and I'm just reading this and I'm just like, dude, these guys don't even have their own blockchain down, and they're talking about utilities, tech issues, and all this. I'm like, what is the purpose if you have a blockchain that isn't getting volume, isn't getting used, and you continue running nodes on that blockchain? Sound familiar? Yes, it's happened before, and I know crypto.com. People supposedly are using crypto.com Chronos blockchain. So before we go down that rabbit hole, we have seen blockchains that don't get used and just phase out. They disappear, and this is one of the things. I don't know if Coinbase is in a position to tell us what the future of crypto is going to look like when they haven't even fully adopted their blockchain into their own ecosystem. Right now, the blockchain is a little bit different than what you can do on the Coinbase app. Unless you know about blockchain, which, Coinbase feels like that early adopter to get in and understand, it's going to be very hard to determine uh, how you can find the next, crypto that's going to take off. And Coinbase is definitely not the people to listen to. I personally feel, but yeah, Daniel Kun feels the opposite. So yeah, that was pretty much the news, guys. I had nothing else there. I do want to go right over down to the chats. I want to talk about the chats. Let me bring up a trading view so we can quickly look at our top seven, top eight. I forget how many do we have now? I just go down the list, and every day it's like one day this is gonna get better. So BTC complete sell signal coming in. The bands were narrow on the Andean oscillator. One second, let me just move my screen so you guys can actually see the charts, because that's what's most important here, and nothing else. So, Andean oscillator is showing confirmation of that bearish signal. So that sell signal is coming in. If you truly look at it, it's a very narrow band. We had a very small uh, bullish signal before it turned bearish again. And the same thing with the HARSI. HARSI initially appeared like, hey, we're feeling bullish, but I was hesitant, as almost every indicator, I think, except like one of the 15-minute indicators, was showing a bullish sign. So now we know we're completely bearish. And there could be more blood. There could be more blood. This just started. The bands are still narrow. We could have another flip, but we need some crazy monster news to come out. Otherwise, this is going to be a uphill battle. This is literally could be a uphill battle. Even the triple G's indicator made by SK 28585 is where it's drawing the line of support, and I literally had resistance at 29769, so I can agree with 28585, but my my real level of support comes in 26667. So I'm sad, but we got to bleed before we got to take off, I guess. So 28,000 in my eyes does seem plausible. It does seem plausible. I think it could happen. I'm hoping it doesn't, but if it does, 28,585 is where I'm looking for support. If it doesn't happen there, we got to see what happens tomorrow. So nothing more there. Ethereum, same thing. The entire market, it's no good, no good at all. Let me see here. Markets are down because we are in a bear market. We are in a bear market. How long are we in a bear? Iron Lux Trader, by the way, welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice to see you, buddy. I missed you. You used to be on point every day. You used to come in, but I miss you, buddy. I hope all is well. Airdrop farm base, dude. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing your thing. No guarantees, but it's on my list. There goes my gas fees on ETH. Ah. Gas fees on ETH is always going to be an issue, but yeah, Base, BNB, they all offer alternatives, but unfortunately, Ethereum still appears to be the most used. So this short signal on the Andean oscillator for ETH has been here for quite some time. If you listen to it, I guess you made $100 loss was avoided. If you listen to it, you're like, oh no, I'm just gonna get out of this, but for most of the others, the HARSI continues to plummet. The small win we had is going right back down. So 1760s, the triple G indicator puts it. I think 1760 I can agree with. My initial level of support was 1693, while my level of resistance was 2032, and the triple G indicator putting at 2029. So very close there. I can agree with this, and we'll see what happens with Ethereum. But 1700 seems very achievable right now. I'm sorry to say, but it's like this across the board for almost all cryptos. So if you're looking for entry points or DCAing time, this is where you start considering: am I at the bottom? Is this where the Andean oscillator is going to flip? I'm going to that bull flag, and I should get this at the bottom. You got to do your predictive charting now, and that's the main thing. Otherwise, you may not be able to catch a bottom because it's forever bottom. So make sure you know what's going on when making those moves. So it is like this across the board. XRP as well plummeted, guys. A lot of you were sad. 60.88. I think we're going to see this potentially go down as low as 58, which is where I had my initial level of support. The triple G indicator did put it at 56.58. So triple G is looking at 56. And this is with that short signal coming in, which is very bearish. So Shiba Inu, it's like, hey, Teddy, what happened? But it's the buy the rumor, sell the news. There was nothing that wasn't expected here. And even now, I don't even know if Shibarium's released. Can you guys tell me? Do you think Shibarium's released? There's like nothing. Oh yeah, there's a Bitcoin conference in Canada and things are going great, but like nothing has really sparked even more volume coming in from that conference, and we've seen that from conferences before. So I'm not sure what is causing this price action to not downtrend more. It seems like there's still some hope left. So we'll see. Anandia Respati, what's going on? I see ya. I see ya, buddy. How are things? My baby's now getting older and older. Next year, next month, she's gonna be a year. So I can only imagine how your kid's doing. So how's everything? Tell me, how's Indonesia? So, guys, I just coming back to Shiba Inu real quick. I do want to say we knew this was expected. We knew the buy the rumor, sell the news. But the bands are wide. We're gonna need a sharp decline to get that bearish signal back in. So that long, even for the 4 hour, even for the 1 day, continues to stay. There hasn't been a crossover. The bands haven't gotten narrow in the Andean oscillator, and the HARSI is at peak, but it does seem like there is room to go back up every time it dips. So we are still uh, a little bullish, but because the market overall is bearish, we ourselves, I have never seen, I've never does that only happen for Doge chart? Did you guys see the dancing Doge? Was that only on my screen? There was a dancing Doge. What the hell? How do you make the dancing Doge come back? Come back, Doge. That's all the thing I needed. That made my day. I just needed the dancing Doge. So Doge, pretty much the same exact price I think I talked to you with about yesterday. We're on that 7 cents. I do believe it is going to retrace along with everything else. We are looking at the 6 cents, 6.8 really, as potential level of support. Triple G indicator also putting it at 6.8. So seems achievable. I do believe that price is attainable if that short signal stays, which let me see. Yeah, it just started that signal. So we'll see if this is confirmed where it's been pretty much bearish on Doge, then yeah, I think 6.8 is very much the next level of support. Pepe, we retraced. I'm sorry, boys. We were at 14,596. We didn't even hit the 15. Didn't even have time, but the entire market retraced. So that was expected. And the biggest surprise of them all, Crow back to back, another new. Oh, it was another all-time low for the 7 day, but we'll see. I'm still very bearish on Crow. If Red Sox was here, I'm sure he would say the same. And I do want to talk about Bone, as Bone retraced as well. Many of you guys were hoping for that $2 Teddy, and then Treat's gonna come out, and then Treat's gonna be the thing, Teddy. But buy the rumor, sell the news. So I think that was something that we predicted. I think at one point it said it could go as high as $9 when I first charted this, and we're at $1.05. So depending on how you're doing with the ecosystem and what even NW, who trusted in Gala's ecosystem, right? And he got rocked by Gala's ecosystem, guys. And who's the other guy? CZ, also not a fan of token um multi-token ecosystems, right? Where multiple tokens are being used to run the ecosystem. CZ's not a fan of them either. So it makes you wonder whether Bone, Treat, Shib, Leash, all these things are going to work as well as people intend them to do. So yeah, that was pretty much it for the chats. I do want to go look at what's new here. So we'll bring up our boy Dex Tools real quick. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we got Dex Tools. So let's see. I do want to go cookie. What the heck? $6.44 cookie, 90K in LP, 172 holders getting into this on base. Yeah, this is on base. Base, Teddy. We're all on base, Teddy. Base is the way to go. 206 holders. They're going up, man. Dude, but 90K in LP is like nothing, right? Like in reality, I'm sorry, boys. All right, let's see. Give me the hot pair. So here's Bitcoin, Harry Potter, Obama. Yeah, dude, this Bitcoin, the FACO, is definitely doing very well. It continues to gain holders and market caps and liquidity. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what is driving it, but it does seem like pure meme coin degeneracy here. Um, the other one, oh yeah, Pepe is retraced. Crypto, is this the crypto? Yeah, this not so much. What was the other one? XRP was. Are you in here? Where's the fake XRP? There's a fake XRP. We looked at it. Ah, here it is. XRP Harry Potter Obama. So this one's retraced as well, but it has volume, and that volume is fairly high. So 1.93 million 24-hour volume. That's buys and sells. So it makes you wonder, hey, does this have room to go? Almost 2,000 holders. Still fairly early. It's playing off the Bitcoin one. So I think if that one goes up, potentially this could mirror it as a sister token, but they're not. I'm hoping they're not the same dev group. Espresso. Our boy SK told us about Espresso a long time ago. It continues to trend. Not Cody. What's going on, Cody? I haven't seen you in forever, buddy. Triple G 420. Are you feeling it, brother? What's happening? What's happening? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Just talking charts right now. And actually, we're talking what's new. You missed our chart segment. We went through all of our daily charts. But looking at what's new, nothing really crazy. Almost even the live pairs I saw, AI, Phantom, they're already things that we've seen before. A few Shiba plays I've seen, another Pepe things coming in, but nothing new is really standing out as the next meta for today or this week. It pretty much is like the 2.0s, the Shiba Inus, and that's pretty much it. So we're going through what's new and what's trending, and I do WorldCoin. WorldCoin, look at me. Remember where we got into WorldCoin? Look at me now, continuing to suffer. Damn it, Sam Altman, you promised me, bro. You promised. 16.25 billion total market cap. We're gonna make H bar will rule them all. H bar also doing fairly well. I know we had. Do I have H bar on here? Hadera, where are you, man? H bar. I did have H bar. Where is H bar USD Binance? Dude, yeah, you guys are killing it too. Still bullish. You know, if the community is bullish, it remains bullish. So another fairly going for an all-time high at 7 cents in this time frame. Remember where we used to be, bro? Remember? Remember? I remember. I remember 58 cents, bro. I hope that would be literally a 10x from here. People would cry. But I do agree with, I think we read an opinion piece where it was like, hey, the community of Hedera and HBAR are the people that are helping drive the price up. There's really nothing new in the ecosystem that's causing this. So I love planned pumps, and hopefully if people are making money on it, I'm okay with that. Let me see here. I think that was all 10, right? Let me see. Crypto, yeah. Foom. Oh my god, how is Foom doing? We looked at Foom when it like first launched. Yeah, a couple days back. Whoa, man, another all-time high just yesterday. Coco, how are you doing, X? Smoke that like button indeed. If you guys enjoy this type of content, by the way, I think it's time. We've looked at this. Goon time. Goon time. All right, so Goon time, you guys know what it is. Shout out any charts you want me to look at, anything you want opinions on. I don't know what else. What else do we do on Goon Time? Teddy, you should hit a dab. Like, come on, man. No, we're not gonna do that. That's the wrong Goon Time, buddy. Actually, while we're doing this, I do want to check out some of the base plays. Base, there you are. Let me see. So Axel USDC not looking so good. Yeah, I guess it's at $1. I guess it's okay. It's pegged. It's pegged at $1, Teddy. Don't go flooding my bag, Teddy. All right, let's check out the hot pairs here. Yo, F Joe Crypto, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. We're on Goon Time, just checking out each of the base plays. 256K LP, 1.5, nope, 8.13 million. Fairly doing okay. 8 cents here on Shard, and it is on base. Rest by the Fire Traveler, New World awaits. Torn Game Studio and IP, the platform for base play. Land Torn. I ain't feeling this one bit, but seems interesting. All right. So that was. Wait, Toshi. Is this the OG Toshi we looked at? How's it doing? Oh, man, we're wrecked. We're wrecked, boys. This was supposed to be the new Shiba Inu on base, and it's 1 million LP, which is fairly good. 11 million market cap. I think a little bit better. Thoughts on Dubs? Anything left in the tank? Dude, Dubs is doing great. Dubs is like killing it. They've literally all-time high over all-time high. I believe they have a lot for the pipeline when the bull run comes in. So I'm still pretty much bullish on what they're doing. I did take profits, but no, I will tell you that. Shard, let me see. We looked at Shard. Boost. Boost is another base one that went down. Like most of the things I've entered in base. Okay, ALB, Alien Base Token. I have not seen this. Alien Base Token. The number one DEX for aliens. Alien Base is a DEX built on base offering the best tokens worth farming for Earthlings. They actually have a swap. Yeah. Trade tokens in an instant. No, this is not a real swap. What the hell? That's a picture. All right, enter app. Okay, this is a real swap. Okay, yep. Base mainnet. They have base. Common tokens, so they don't even have a list of tokens. They just have alien base. Just seems like a Uniswap. Hello, Triple G's. Wow! What's going on, SK? Nice to see you, buddy. You're on the Goon Time segment. Teddy, how's your Trump NFTs doing? Not so well, buddy. Almost all my Trump NFTs have completely lost their value. Let me show you that as well. And even my Porsche NFTs have completely lost its value. We're at 0.09 ETH. And I'll show you, as you guys know, most of my rarities are between 1 and 4,000. I'm buying that there. And even that, we're looking at 0.22, right? 0.23. Like, not much. Not much here. I continue to suffer. Suffer. If anything, I kind of want to buy more because I hear things are going wild with how much are we looking at? What's the cheapest one? 191, almost 1 ETH. 191, daddy. 191. Wait, what the hell? Let me see. It's been a long time since I've been on my profile here. I gotta check. What do I get? Wait, give me the actual freaking picture of you, man. Hero cover knife wars. What the hell? Wait, what the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this Wagme? Red Sox? Red Sox! I have Wagme NFTs. Red Sox, they're worth absolutely nothing. Damn it. Are these the ones? No, these aren't the ones. These are the comic book ones. I'm supposed to get comic books for these. Oh, dang. I got a top 30% one. Number 27, top 5% rarity. What the hell? All right, nice. Kira Corp ID. Top 40. Top 50. No, 380. Teddy. Top 1%. 380. Okay. Oh, wow. Another. Wait, is this the same 380? 380. No, I have two 380s. What the hell? Plantanaso, Jason Sario. Oh wow, I didn't even know I got things from him. Oh yeah, I remember all these guys, the 3D apes. I got all these freaking 3D apes. What am I gonna do with that? Oh yeah, my two. Number 20. FOMO. Ents Town. Are did these ever end up? It was a free mint. Did they ever end up taking off? Volume 2 ETH floor 0.005. So somebody's actually using it. Wow. Oh, apocalyptic apes. Did these end up taking off? How we doing? Best offer 0.05 ETH. Oh wow. Floor is 0.05. Wow, we're doing great, buddy. Teddy, what's that? Get out of here! Get out of here! Remember the first NFTs we bought were the Wagme NFTs. We're supposed to make it all back. We never made it, man. 69.91 Shipyard. Yep, I remember this one as well. All right, I think that pretty much covers it for Goon Time, guys. I will see you again tomorrow. Make sure you come back 8:15 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna chill out. I'm really hoping a big turnaround on the market. But for the most part, also, I do want to shout out. I know a few of you guys messaged me yesterday. Guys, there's no requirement you need to come show up every day, 8:15 p.m. I'm not keeping track, but I definitely appreciate you guys let me know that you weren't able to make it, but you did watch the stream after. My analytics do confirm that I have the best returning audience that even rewatched the video, so I'm always looking out for you guys. I appreciate it, and that's why I'm still here continuing to do this. And one of the things that I am considering is a potential, I'm seeing all these crypto guys do other channels apart from crypto, reaction channels, mukbangs, whatever it may be. Maybe I need to branch out as well. It is something I'm potentially considering, but I don't even know what the content would be. And I pretty much like what I do in crypto. I follow crypto. I can look at charts all day. I've been doing it for years now. So not even sure if the branching out is needed, but definitely something to consider. So I have season 1 and 2 of Trump NFTs, made loot of season 1, got wrecked on season 2. NW, same exact problem, except I diamond handed my season 1s and didn't end up making my profits, but I pulled my initials that I bought on season 1. Yep. Season 2 was immediately downtrending like as soon as it launched, so that was not good. But yeah, guys, I will see you. Stay safe, stay strong. See you tomorrow. Don't get rug pulled, and remember, most importantly, don't be a hero.
Don't get rug pulled. Yeah. 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 Get informed.